Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect any wireless headphones with Chuwi GemiBook. To do this, first let's open a Bluetooth settings on our laptop, so we need to click on the start and go to the settings. Inside, select the Bluetooth and other devices. Now we can move on to our headphones. In this case I'll be using this Sony headphones. Make sure that they are in the pairing mode. You can also check any video about any headphones on how to enter pairing mode on them. And now we can click on add device, select Bluetooth, and right here let's wait a few moments till sorry, that's my bad, because first we'll need to actually activate the Bluetooth itself. So sorry for that. Enable your Bluetooth and then select add device, Bluetooth, and here wait till your headphones appear on the list. If they don't appear on the list, let's try again. Add device, Bluetooth. Okay, so here we have it. Click on the headphones on the list and they should be connected with your laptop. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.